ഹലോ ഗൈസ് വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക്. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്ന് കളിക്കുന്നത് Uncharted 4th ആണ്. അതിൽ ഒരു 5 മാസം മുന്നേ ഇത് കളിച്ച് ഫിനിഷ് ആക്കി. എന്നാലും ഇപ്പോൾ പസിൽസാണെന്ന് നല്ല ഓർമ്മയൊന്നുമില്ല. ഇതിൽ നമുക്ക് ഇൻഫിനിറ്റി ബുള്ളറ്റ് ഇപ്പോൾ ബോൺസ് എടുത്താൽ തന്നെ ഇപ്പോൾ സ്കിൻസ് യൂസ് ചെയ്ത് കളിക്കാം. വെപ്പൺസിൽ നമുക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമുള്ള വെപ്പൺസാണ് ഇതാ. എല്ലാ വെപ്പൺസാണ് നോക്കുന്നില്ല. മുകളിൽ ഇൻഫിനിറ്റി ആമുണ്ട്. അങ്ങനെ കുറച്ചൊക്കെ ഉണ്ട്, നമുക്ക് യൂസ് ചെയ്യാം. 5 മാസം മുന്നേ ഫുള്ള് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്ത്. പക്ഷെ ഇത് ന്യൂ പ്ലസ് ഒന്നല്ല, ന്യൂ ഗെയിം പ്ലസ് ഒന്നുമല്ല, ജസ്റ്റ് തന്നെയാണ്. ന്യൂ പ്ലസ് കാണിക്കാതുകൊണ്ട് ഇതിനെ വീഡിയോ ഇടാൻ വേണ്ടിയാണ് ഞാൻ പിന്നെ ആദ്യം കളിക്കാൻ വെച്ചത്. നമ്മള് വീട്ടിൽ പോകും. പക്ഷെ ലാസ്റ്റ് പാർട്ടിൽ എന്താ ചെയ്തത്, സാമേന ജയിലിൽ നിന്ന് രക്ഷപ്പെട്ടത് കാണിച്ചു. ഡിസൈഡ് ചെയ്ത് ഇതിന് പോവാന്ന് ഡിസൈഡ് ചെയ്ത് ഇതിന് പോകാൻ പ്രഷർ എടുക്കാൻ പോകാൻ ഡിസൈഡ് ചെയ്താണ്ട് അവൻ്റെ വൈഫിനെ വിളിച്ച് പറഞ്ഞു എനിക്ക് വർക്ക് ഉണ്ട്, അതുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ പോവാണ് മറ്റോ പറഞ്ഞ വർക്കിന്.
See? Yeah, it's not bad. Your second attempt.
You see that?
Oh, like a pro.
It's your turn. Hey, bet we can swing off that beam up there.
Definitely.
The Sam. ഓക്കെ, എങ്ങനെയല്ലാതെ ഇറങ്ങണല്ലേ?
Hey, let's switch places. All right, climb over me. I've got a good grip.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
There we go.
First try.
All right, no one likes a show off.
Okay, come on, Nathan. It looks like you can climb down and make your way over.
Right behind you. Okay.
Shh, hold up.
Per modo di dire, respira
Enemies
attraverso
in
un tubo e forse non potrà più camminare.
Bene gli sta.
Arbor.
Ehi, hai scommesso sulla partita?
Inghilterra vincente.
Inghilterra, traditore.
Ehi, non confondere l'orgoglio nazionale con la realtà.
Okay, we're good.
Jesus, did you see him? That Renner thug was packing some serious heat. Should have brought guns.
Sam, we're gonna pull this off so smoothly we won't need them.
I hope you're right. All those years. It's the little things that you miss the most.
Like what?
The smell of fresh citrus. Riding the motorcycle. It's little things, but they add up.
That should hold. All right, come on down.
Alright, come on down.
Landing's a little more famous. careful than I remember.
Yeah, tell me about it.
So, your other wonderful finds.
അപ്പം ഇനി മേലെ
The
കയറണം.
ones I missed. You at least take any pictures?
I wish. Elena filmed some of it, but the camera didn't make it.
That's too bad.
I have some drawings, though. When we get back, I can show you.
You have drawings? Are they up on the fridge or something?
No, they're good drawings.
I can't wait.
Right. ഔട്ട് പോയത് എന്നാൽ ഞാൻ പോവാം. അമ്മ മേലെ കയറി കൊണ്ടിട്ട് അല്ല അടി കറങ്ങി പോകരുത്. പിന്നെ ആർക്കാം
I don't see anything to climb here.
എനിക്ക് ഇത് മുന്നേ കളിച്ചാൽ കുറേ പസിൽസാണൊന്നും ഓർമ്മയൊന്നുമില്ല. കുറച്ച് ഓർമ്മയുണ്ട്, കുറച്ച് ഓർമ്മയില്ലാത്ത അവസ്ഥ.
This looks promising.
I think you mean precarious.
Shit!
You okay up there?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm good.
കുറെ ചെറുതായിട്ട് വല്ലാതൊന്നും അറിയില്ല.
It'd suck if you missed right now.
It sure would. But I don't miss.
അല്ലേക്കാണ് ഫസ്റ്റത്തെ ഒന്നും അറിയാതെ പോയത്. കഴിഞ്ഞ പ്രാവശ്യം അതിൽ ഫസ്റ്റത്തെ പോയി, മിസ്സായി. അയാളാണ് മറ്റേ അതായത് ഗെയിം ചേഞ്ചർ മൂവി.
Nathan?
What? What?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
You all right?
All right. Yeah.
How do I look?
Like 400 million bucks. Let's go.
All right, I'm right behind you.
I'm right behind you.
Sully?
Know what I love about partying with a bunch of crooks?
What's that?
Nobody cares if you're smoking indoors.
It's been a while.
Too long, boyo.
You remember my dead brother, right? Victor?
I'll be goddamned. 15 years.
Yep.
Good to see you alive, Sam.
We'll see.
Let's try keeping him alive by getting this cross, huh?
Yeah, about that.
What about that?
Come on, let me show you something.
Or something.
This fine Parthian statue once belonged to the National Museum of Iraq.
Take a look.
Look.
That's Avery's cross.
They brought it out of storage just before you guys got here.
They changed the lot order.
Take a whole pile of cash to make that happen.
Right, well, how long before they start the bidding?
10, 15 minutes tops.
Well, there's got to be some way we can grab it.
There is just a small matter of a few hundred eyewitnesses down there.
Okay, but we just need a diversion.
Like?
Like I don't know. But there's got to be something.
Well, if the gods see us making for that cross...
If they don't see us. Jesus, you guys act like you never spend time in prison. If you want something dirty done, then you wait for lights out.
Yeah.
Where's that electrical panel for this place?
Anyone else?
There's ventilation. Electrical. That's it up here.
700,000
So we just have to climb up there and kill the lights.
Grab the cross in the dark.
going once.
There will be an emergency generator.
And that'll give us a few seconds of darkness to work with.
Meaning we'll have to be right next to the cross when the lights go out.
So there's no way we can get that close without being
നല്ല
noticed.
കിട്ടിയ
Scusate,
സാധനം
signora. Antipasti?
I'm all set.
Hi.
Next, we have an icon
How are you?
removed from the 14th
Ciao.
Cathedral in Aleppo, Syria.
Would you focus?
This striking piece depicts Judas
The waiter wouldn't get noticed.
in the Garden of Gethsemane and dates from the
That
first
could work. Huh?
century. We have 200,000 euros in the room.
That will work.
We have 200,000
All right.
euros in the room.
All right, I'll get to the breaker room, kill the power.
You mean I'm the waiter? You're the best pickpocket.
We have
What?
200
You head down to the floor, keep your eye on the prize, okay? Let us know if anything, hinky goes down.
Roger that.
All right. Listen, we still got this. Ready?
Ready?
All right, follow me.
ready,
Cut through
ready.
the cellar.
It seems we do not have 360 and
Gotta say, Victor, the years have been kind to you.
Thanks. I chuck it, I've been going vegan.
Hey, this guy's...
Are you kidding me? Hell no.
ആദ്യത്തിന് പേരൊക്കെ ഇപ്പം തന്നെ കാണാൻ വിചാരിച്ചു ശരി അല്ലാണ്ട് ഒരു ആൾക്കാരെ അടി കൂടി ഇങ്ങനെ വരുന്നത് തീഫ് എൻ്റെ എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ ആൾക്കാരെ ഇങ്ങനെ മോഷ്ടിച്ചാണ് നടക്കുന്നത് വിചാരിച്ചാണ് ചാപ്റ്റർ ഇത് റീലോ കാണുമ്പോൾ ഞാൻ മൂവിയൊക്കെ കണ്ടപ്പോൾ വലിയ മനസ്സിലായത് ഫുൾ പക്ഷേ ഫണ്ടിങ് കാണില്ല ടോം റൈഡർ വേറെ സെറ്റപ്പ് ആണ്
I thought I had a reasonable grasp of French, or at least a passable French accent. But then a few months back, I'm with my girlfriend by the pond.
Cellar's just through there. Let's go.
This place is fancy.
Here's the thing.
Of course they play douchey European techno. Excuse me.
Here we are.
Hell, it's locked.
Just lock.
And earlier.
Now what? Can we pick it?
No, it's electronic.
We'll have to find another way in.
You see that?
Key card, back left pocket.
Yep.
I'm on it.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. You sure you want to do that? There's a lot of eyes out here.
I think I can handle a simple lift.
All right. Oh, real smooth.
I'm not even trying yet.
Yeah, I can tell.
Shit.
You, need some pointers?
No, just warming up, that's all.
Okay. What do you say we just run it like the old days, okay? I do the interference, you make the grab, right?
Yeah, good. Go.
And good evening to you. See, my accent has betrayed me once again. Trust me, I have heard much worse. I've seen you ordering the waiters around. This run show. I handle events for Mrs. Rossi, including the auction. Oh, certainly do worse than this fella. Hey, this is her estate then?
ഫുള്ളായത് ഇതിനകത്തെ
Oh. Better than this? Jealous. This one is particularly special. How so?
And he doubted me.
ഇതിലിങ്ങനെ കൊയ്യാനെ ഇട്ടടി നമുക്ക് മനസ്സിലായി
Pleasure to watch professionals at work.
Okay,
try this again. We'll still need these.
Great.
Good luck.
Good luck.
We'll be in touch.
Hands in the air. Hi, Victor.
Hello, Nadine. Pleasure to see you again.
Only this time, I've got the drop on you.
Well, I guess I should be glad that's not a real gun. Hardly recognize you out of your fatigues.
Yeah. You know how it is. Every once in a while, a job requires us to get all dolled up. Looking sharp, by the way.
Not too bad yourself.
Feel so out of place here. Can't tell you what a relief it is to run into another English speaker. Even if you are American.
They'll have to blame my parents for that one.
I was on my way to the bar. Can I get you something?
Yeah, scotch. On the rocks.
Be right back.
Date? Catch all that?
Yes, I did. Sounds like a lady's trying to buy you a drink.
Yeah, Nadine Ross is buying me a drink.
Nadine Ross. Wait, doesn't she own that Army for Hire? It's called Coastline?
Shoreline.
Yeah, right. But you had a run-in with them.
It's putting it mildly. Fortunately, she does not seem to be holding a grudge.
I'm good to go here. All right. Listen, we're all set, Sully. You, stay out of trouble, okay?
I'll try.
Ready? Yeah, let's do it.
You gotta find where the waiters and caterers are hanging out.
Yeah, lure one out of the kitchen, probably.
Then let's go find the kitchen.
Man, there's enough food down here to feed a small town.
Crap. You see a waiter in there?
Nah, just more heavily armed goons.
The hell is this? This gate wasn't on the blueprint. Locked, of course. Okay, plan B. There you go. See some fence up there. Nathan, come check this out.
Here we go. Let there be light.
Bad electrical in this joint.
Don't suppose you brought a... Yeah, that'll do.
I guess it's always a good idea to bring a smoker along. Unless you need to run.
Oof. Man, I'm starting to get a little drunk off the fumes in here.
Oh, good thing Sully's driving.
Maybe the vent access is behind these casks.
അപ്പോൾ ഇതേ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് അങ്ങോട്ട് പോകണം.
Good job. That's a lot of really rare vintage.
Yeah, maybe Alcazar can just settle for some good wine.
Hey, she'll be worried that Victor's chatting up Nadine Ross. I mean, I've heard some pretty scary stories about her crew.
Yeah, don't worry about Sully. Guy can talk his way out of anything.
There you go.
This way.
Now come here.
Hey, look, the vents. It's our way out.
Yeah, I got it.
No need to give me a hand or anything.
I'm holding the light.
Holding the lighter.
Robert 100. Ready?
Okay, up we go. Right there.
പക്ഷേ നമ്മുടെ ഗെയിം ഇവിടെ വെച്ച് നിർത്താൻ അടുത്ത വീഡിയോ കാണുന്നവർക്കും ബൈ ഓൾ ഓഫ്